Hi my plain Janes, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this set today because this set is going to be for the little kids. Yes, we're going to do some kids press-on nails. This is going to be a Minnie Mouse inspired set. I got these stickers from Amazon, and if you do have an inner child inside of you, you can wear these press-ons as well if they do fit your nails, or you can do a mommy and me and you wear a set and your child wears a set. Doesn't matter, you know, but this set is going to be a simple tutorial of how I do these children press-on nails. And again, these stickers are from Amazon. We're going to be using the red Minnie Mouse on here. I do have Sunbow silver glitter nail gel, and we're going to be using that as our background color, and that is in color AG003, as well as our rubber stamper there to press those stickers on. And then we cannot forget our Beetles foundation base coat, because we love a good Beetles base coat, and our Macart top coat. And without further ado, let's get started. As you know, we want to start off with a good foundation, so we're going to go in with our e-file here and buff that shine away, and then we're going to go in with our nail buffer using the 100 grit side to smooth out those lines, and we have a smooth base. And then we're going to apply our Model 1's primer, because we always want a good prime when we prep our nails for durability. And then we're going to apply our gel coat right after that. After we have cured our gel base coat for 60 seconds, we're going to go in with that silver glitter and do our first coat of that and cure for 60 seconds. And then we're going to put our second coat. I only use 2 coats of this because I did want the glitter to not be as thick, but be a nice background for the stickers to show up on. So we're going to cure that second coat for 60 seconds as well. Now we'll be applying our Minnie Mouse stickers. Again, we're going to be using the red Minnie Mouses to apply onto our nails. And this part was kind of tedious, so this is going to be extra sped up because it took me forever to peel off these stickers and get them onto the nail. So yes, this is turbo speed right now. Now let's go ahead and apply that top coat to make everything shiny and new. I love this part. And here are the finished nails, guys. Look how shiny and glittery. I know as a child I love glitter. I still love glitter as an adult, but these came out so cute. And you can use them for your nieces, again, for mommy and me sets. So just some Minnie Mouse inspired nails, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as follow and share. Also, don't forget to click that notification button so you can see more videos. See you soon. Bye.